You too malicious? Time to be a guinea pig. Guinea pig. Bum, bum, bum. Albert's gonna try a brand new snack. Lay's grilled cheese is ahead of the pack. Those some weak-ass rhyme skills. Head of the pack, snack. Come on! Anyways, it's from the Streets of the World collection. All the way from Canada. Grilled cheese. Which is basically just cheese chips. Which has basically been done already. Lay's, come on. Come on, Lay's. Step up your game. Did I clap back correctly? Anyways, so it's basically like a grilled cheese sandwich, and you want a cute little thing of ketchup. Oh, so did they give it shit? Yep. New. Lay's grilled cheese, flavor potato chips. Canadian street food vendors have perfected the grilled cheese sandwich, served with just the right amount of ketchup for dipping. Okay, first of all, I have never been to like a street food vendor and seen a grilled cheese sandwich. Well, I've seen those little hot dog carts, but I ain't seen no grilled cheese. Am I searching the wrong vendor? Anyways, let's just do a test. Ooh, my, not bad. Oh, damn! It smells cheesy. As you gotta do more chips. You really can't tell the color from inside the bag. Remember, don't be a snob. Take the chip out of the bag. There you go. Here's one. Now, someone was telling me in America, look, I'm centering myself. In America, they actually take the chips and they dip it in ketchup for realsies. And mustard or what condiment have you. Anyways, let's give this a go. I always try to close my eyes to mind foop myself into thinking like I'm actually eating a grilled cheese sandwich or whatever flavor is supposed to be. Alright, I'm at dinner. Grilled cheese sandwich, please. Thank you. Kind of grilled cheese-esque. I don't know. It's not wow or anything, but they're tasty. I don't know. I mean, to try something different, give them a go. Lay's grilled cheese. And upload.